Hello, and welcome to Go English Tutorials M video. M sounds like like ma. Now it's time for a story. Part 1. Mary Moo Goes to Mars by To Go English Tutorials. Mary Moo had never left the farm before. She was a cow that only produced chocolate milk, and that made her a star. She was so famous that NASA called her farm and asked if she could go to Mars with the astronauts because they loved chocolate milk.
Can you join us?
Sure thing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moo-hoo! And off went Mary Moo to Mars to make chocolate milk for Mr. Mike Madison, the marvelous Mars mechanic. When they arrived on Mars, Mr. Madison the mechanic made Mary Moo make so much chocolate milk on Monday that Mary Moo moved to Mercury and was never seen again.
Too much milk.
Part 2. Marvelous Mary Moo on Mercury. After leaving the chocolate milk-loving mechanic, Mr. Mike Madison on Mars, Mary Moo flew in her spectacular spaceship all the way back past Earth, then Venus, to Mercury.
Time to move on.
Phew, it's so hot. There she met Mumia, Marcus, and Mercia. Meep, meep. After landing, Mary Moo met Mumia, Marcus, and Mercia, 3 local aliens from Victoria in British Columbia, Canada, on Mercury. Mary Moo said, "Moo! Would you like some marvelous homemade chocolate milk? That's my specialty." Marcus mumbled, "Meep, meep. That sounds magnificent, but I only want 1 drop for each mouth. That's plenty." Mumia and Mercia murmured, "Meep, meep, meep. We don't need any more than that." Mary Moo was relieved to make friends on Mercury who wanted more from her than chocolate milk. She mooed and they meeped, happily ever after. The end. Or is it? Part 3. Mary Moo moves to Manitoba. Mary Moo had been most marvelously happy on Mercury for many, many moons, but decided she missed Earth. She especially missed the mountains in British Columbia, Canada. She spoke to Marcus and asked him to join her, and he said, "Meep!" They immediately left in Mary Moo's spaceship. They floated around, eating donuts on their way to Earth's mountains. Yum! So delicious! Unfortunately, there was a mean meteor heading straight at them, so they had to move course. Actually, I'm a meteoroid named Manny. Ah, moo! Meep, meep! Let's move! They had to make a move in a moment, so they meandered off course and missed the mountains. Meep, meep! They landed near Winterpeg, a very cold city, not to be mistaken for Winnipeg, where a lot of whiny pigs live. Why do birds fly? Why does snow have to be white? Mary Moo and Marcus moved into a mobile home made of ice and marshmallows and started a museum about mushrooms from Mercury. Mario was the only one who visited it. The end. Now it's time for a grammar minute. The mood tells us in what manner the verb is communicating the action. When we use the imperative mood, we use the verb at the beginning, and it's used to make a command or request. For example, do your math homework, or study hard. Let's add an adjective to this. The monkey likes to hang by its tail. The marvelous monkey likes to hang by its tail. Now we have some vocab moments. To migrate means to move from one place to settle in another, or to journey between different habitats at specific seasons. The butterflies migrate from Mexico to Canada and back to Mexico again. Migration is the noun. Animals and birds move or migrate to a warmer place. It's called migration. For example, geese fly south for the winter. That's called migration. Moisture is a noun. It means a small amount of water or other liquid. Moist is an adjective, meaning damp or slightly wet. The umbrella could not keep all of the moisture off of the toad. Makeshift is a noun and means a temporary and usually less strong replacement. Misfortune is bad luck or trouble or an unlucky event. Oh, that's too bad. There was a misfortune when the storm destroyed the roof. After that, we made a makeshift one. A menace is something that is likely to do harm or is regarded as dangerous. The verb menace means to be a danger to, or to put at risk. That tiger is a menace. Ah! Mental is an adjective, and it means having to do with the mind. Mathematics is a mental pursuit. 16 times 2 divided by 4 equals 8. Motion is a noun meaning movement. My mom's mysterious motion made me marvel. Minute sounds like minute. It's an adjective meaning very small or tiny. Minute ate the minute microorganism. A metaphor is a comparison of two unlike things to create a common idea. It's often used in literature. For example, he was a mountain of strength, or he is such a monkey. Mystery is a noun, and it means something unknown. Mysterious is the adjective form. What a mysterious metaphor. This is a miner. A miner is someone who works to dig coal or useful minerals out of the ground. The miner was mad to find gold. At last, remember, you can write too. Now make your own Mary Moo story using some of the new M words you just learned. These include monkey, marvelous, migrate, migration, moisture, moist, makeshift, and miner, as well as misfortune, menace, mental, mathematics, motion, minute, mystery, and mysterious. And the bonus challenge, in your story, try to use the imperative mood and a metaphor. Thank you for watching To Go English Tutorials. Don't forget to watch other videos in our series, and please like and share. Keep studying English.